Hello everyone, we will show you how to add a micromodule to centralize the shutters. To do this, we have one radio transmitter flush mounted with battery 2 inputs, TRM702A, and one radio transmitter receiver, 2 inputs with one shutter's blinds output, 3A, TRM692G. We are going to link both transmitters to centralize the shutters. This shutter module is already configured and is being used with switches by default. But in this example, we will use some push buttons. To start the configuration, push the CFG button on the transmitter. Select the button to close the shutters. The transmitter flashes. The function is in red. Press and hold during 2 seconds to validate. It is finished when it stops flashing. Now select the button to open the shutters. The transmitter flashes. The function is in green. Press and hold during 2 seconds to validate. It is OK when it stops flashing. Leave the configuration mode on the transmitter by pressing CFG. You can test the open or close function if you press and hold during 2 seconds. You can stop it with a short press.